Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share with you a story about my school time. It's a story about challenges, triumphs, and lessons learned that have stayed with me to this day. I remember my first day of school like it was yesterday. I was nervous and excited, not knowing what to expect. As I walked into my classroom, I was greeted by my teacher, Mrs. Smith, who would become a mentor and inspiration to me throughout my school years. As I settled into my desk, I quickly realized that school wasn't going to be easy. I struggled with math and science, and I felt like I was falling behind my classmates. But Mrs. Smith saw something in me that I didn't: potential. She took me under her wing and gave me extra attention, encouraging me to keep trying and never give up. With her support, I began to flourish. I discovered a love for reading and writing, and I started to excel in English and history. I even landed the lead role in our school play, which gave me the confidence to speak in front of crowds. But school wasn't all smooth sailing. I faced bullies and setbacks, and there were times when I felt like quitting. But Mrs. Smith and my parents were always there to remind me that education was the key to unlocking my dreams. One of the most important lessons I learned in school was the value of hard work and perseverance. I remember staying up late into the night, studying for exams and working on projects. It wasn't easy, but it paid off in the end. Another important lesson I learned was the power of friendship and community. I made lifelong friends in school, and we supported each other through thick and thin. As I look back on my school time, I realized that it was a journey of self-discovery and growth. I learned to embrace my strengths and weaknesses, and I developed a love for learning that has stayed with me to this day. So, to all the students out there who are struggling or feeling discouraged, I want to leave you with a message of hope and encouragement. Don't give up on your education. It's the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. And to all the teachers and educators out there, I want to thank you for your tireless efforts and dedication. You are the unsung heroes of our society, shaping the minds and hearts of future generations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my story. Subscribe for regular updates and press the bell icon.